The top 10 health benefits of eating eggs every day. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into one of nature's most versatile and nutritious foods, eggs. For years, eggs have been celebrated for their health benefits, but also surrounded by a cloud of misconceptions. Today, we're here to settle the matter and show you why eggs might just be your new best friend in achieving a healthier lifestyle. For all the health enthusiasts out there, whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your fitness goals, or simply make informed choices about your diet, this video is for you. Let's uncover the top 10 health benefits of eating eggs every day. First up, let's talk about why eggs are often referred to as a nutritional powerhouse. Eggs are packed with vital nutrients, including high-quality protein, essential vitamins like B12, D, and A, and a compound called choline, which is beneficial for brain and nerve health. These nutrients are hard to come by in such a compact and convenient food. Each egg contains approximately 70 calories, yet it's filled with so much good that it far outweighs its calorie count. Eating just one egg daily provides a remarkable boost to your nutrient intake, supporting everything from your energy levels to your cellular functions. It's no wonder that nutritionists around the world recommend eggs as an essential part of a balanced diet. One of the most impressive benefits of eggs is their impact on brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, a lesser-known yet critical nutrient that plays a vital role in brain function. Choline helps create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for regulating memory, learning, and mood. In simpler terms, eating eggs can help keep your brain sharp and focused. For students, working professionals, or anyone juggling tasks in their day-to-day lives, this brain-enhancing benefit is invaluable. Regular consumption of choline-rich foods like eggs can even promote long-term cognitive health, possibly lowering the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's. If you're into fitness, you've probably heard people talk about the importance of protein for muscle growth and repair. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein out there. Each egg contains about 6 grams of protein, including all the essential amino acids your body needs. Whether you're recovering from an intense workout, looking to build muscle, or aiming to maintain strength as you age, eggs are the perfect addition to your diet. Consuming protein after exercise not only aids in muscle repair, but also promotes muscle synthesis, making it easier for your body to recover and grow stronger. So, if staying active is one of your goals, eggs will definitely support you along the way. Your eyes are essential, and eggs can play a major role in keeping them healthy. Eggs contain 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which protect your eyes from damaging effects of blue light and reduce the risk of age-related eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. These nutrients are particularly concentrated in the egg yolk, so don't be afraid to enjoy it alongside the whites. Including eggs in your diet can help safeguard your vision and maintain clear, healthy eyesight as you age. Ever notice how eating eggs keeps you full for hours? That's because they're rich in protein, which is highly satiating. Starting your day with eggs, whether scrambled, boiled, or even in an omelet, can help you curb hunger and reduce the need to snack throughout the day. This makes them an excellent choice if you're looking to manage your weight or avoid extra calories from unhealthy snacks. Research also shows that consuming eggs for breakfast stabilizes blood sugar levels, so you won't experience those energy crashes that often lead to midday cravings. It's a win-win for both energy and calorie control. For years, eggs got a bad reputation due to concerns about cholesterol. However, modern research has debunked many of these myths. Eggs can actually increase your levels of HDL, also known as good cholesterol, which is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Additionally, for most people, dietary cholesterol in eggs does not significantly raise blood cholesterol levels. When eaten in moderation as part of a balanced diet, eggs can be a heart-healthy option. Of course, consult your doctor if you have pre-existing conditions, but for the average person, eggs can comfortably be a part of a heart-friendly lifestyle. At just about 70 calories per egg, they're one of the most calorie-efficient foods you can eat. Don't let the small number fool you, though. Each egg is bursting with essential nutrients. Because they're so nutrient-dense yet low in calories, eggs are a great option for anyone trying to maintain or lose weight while still meeting their nutritional needs. Pair eggs with vegetables or whole grains for a satisfying, balanced meal, and you'll be amazed by how easily they fit into your healthy eating plan. Eating eggs can even give your metabolism a slight boost. High-protein foods like eggs stimulate thermogenesis, a process where your body burns more calories to digest food. This energy expenditure helps improve your metabolic rate, making it easier to maintain or lose weight over time. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients in eggs makes them an ideal food for keeping your metabolism working efficiently. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and eggs can help you keep them sturdy and resilient. Egg yolks are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient essential for the absorption of calcium. Calcium, in turn, plays a key role in maintaining bone density and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Including eggs in your daily diet not only supports bone health, but also contributes to stronger teeth and better posture as you age. One of the best things about eggs is how versatile they are. From a simple boiled egg to a decadent omelet filled with veggies, eggs offer countless ways to enjoy nutritious meals without much effort. Their adaptability makes them perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or even a quick snack. Whether you're following a specific diet routine, such as keto, paleo, or low carb, or simply love experimenting in the kitchen, eggs have endless possibilities. So, whether it's scrambled, poached, fried, or baked into a recipe, eggs are unbeatable when it comes to convenience and flavor. It's worth addressing. Are eggs bad for you? For years, eggs were vilified for their cholesterol content. But as research progressed, we've learned that for most people, dietary cholesterol, the kind found in eggs, has little to no effect on blood cholesterol levels. In fact, they can actually improve your overall cholesterol profile by raising good cholesterol, HDL. Of course, as with any food, moderation is key. If you have specific health conditions like high cholesterol or heart disease, speak with a healthcare professional to determine what's right for you. But for the majority of people, eggs are a safe, nutritious, and incredibly healthy choice. Let's take a quick look back at the remarkable benefits of eating eggs every day. They're packed with essential nutrients. They boost brain health and cognitive function. They support muscle growth and repair. They protect your eyes from damage and aging. They help control hunger and support weight management. They promote heart health when consumed in moderation. They're low in calories but high in nutrition. They aid in boosting your metabolism. They strengthen bones with natural vitamin D. They're versatile, easy to prepare, and delicious in every form. There you have it, 10 undeniable reasons why eggs should be a staple in your diet. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or simply someone who wants to make healthier choices, eggs offer endless benefits for anyone and everyone. Now we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to cook or enjoy eggs? Share your thoughts and favorite recipes in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more exciting and educational content like this. Thank you for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. Let's keep cracking the code to good nutrition together.